Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to master CapCut AI and edit 10 stunning clips in just 1 hour. This is part of our ongoing series where we explore different aspects of AI, Mid-Journey, and various tools that can enhance your creative process. And today we are diving into CapCut, an amazing tool that has recently released its new AI features. So if you're ready to dive in and learn how to create some incredible videos quickly and easily, then let's get started. Now, let's get started by exploring how to use CapCut AI to create some truly unique and stunning clips. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Finding inspiration and choosing your niche. Before you jump into CapCut, it's essential to find inspiration and choose a niche for your video. You can do this by browsing social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels to see what's currently trending. Once you've found a niche that interests you, gather a few examples of videos that you like and analyze them to understand why they work. Pay attention to elements such as the hook, pacing, transitions, and overall structure of the video. Then brainstorm ideas on how you can incorporate these elements into your own videos while adding your unique twist. Step 2. Planning your video. With your niche and video concept in mind, it's time to plan your video. Start by creating a rough storyboard or outline of your video to help you visualize the flow and content of each scene. Consider the target audience for your video and tailor the content accordingly. Think about the type of visuals, audio, and editing techniques that will effectively convey your message and keep your audience engaged. At this stage, you may also want to research any necessary props, costumes, or locations that will help bring your vision to life. It's crucial to have a solid plan before diving into CapCut to ensure a smooth and efficient editing process. Step 3. Capturing your footage. Now that you have a clear plan for your video, it's time to capture the footage. Depending on your concept, you may need to film yourself or others, record your screen, or use stock footage. If you're filming yourself, make sure to use good lighting and audio to ensure high-quality results. For screen recording, use a reputable software like OBS Studio. And if you need stock footage, websites like Pexels or Pixabay offer a wide selection of options. Once you've captured all the necessary footage, organize the files into folders to make it easier to manage in CapCut. Step 4. Importing your media. The first step to editing your video in CapCut is to import your media. Open CapCut on your desktop or web browser and create a new project. Then click on the Import button to select the videos, photos, or other media that you want to include in your project. You can drag and drop your files directly into the timeline or use the import function to add multiple files at once. Once your media is imported, you can preview it in the timeline to get a better idea of what your final video might look like. Additionally, you can start to organize your clips by dragging and dropping them into different tracks. Step 5. Using templates and presets. CapCut offers a variety of templates and presets that can help speed up your editing process. In the editor, navigate to the left menu and click on Templates. Here you'll find a range of options for different video types, including vertical videos, Instagram stories, and more. You can also browse by category such as gaming, fitness, or travel. Once you've selected a template, it will be added to your project and you can start customizing it with your own media and text. Alternatively, you can use CapCut's preset effects to enhance your video footage. These presets can be found in the right menu under the Effects tab and can be applied to specific clips or tracks with just a few clicks. Some popular options include color correction, background remover, and AI denoiser. Step 6. Leveraging AI features. CapCut has recently introduced several AI features that can make your editing process even faster and more efficient. One of the most useful features is the automatic captions generated by AI. To use this feature, simply select the speech in your video and click on Generate Captions. CapCut will automatically transcribe your audio and generate captions that you can customize to match your video's content. Another useful AI feature is the Background Remover tool. As the name suggests, this tool allows you to remove the background from your video clips with just a click. This can be especially helpful if you want to add yourself as a talking head to a video, or if you want to overlay your video on top of another background. Simply select the clip you want to remove the background from and click on Background Remover. You'll see a preview of the clip with the original and removed background side by side. If you're happy with the result, click OK and your background will be removed. Step 7. Adding music and sound effects. Music and sound effects are an essential part of any great video. They can help set the tone, enhance the visual experience, and keep your audience engaged. To add music to your CapCut project, go to the Audio tab in the left menu and click on Music. You can browse through a vast library of royalty-free music tracks and select the ones that best fit your video's theme and style. Once you've found your tracks, simply drag and drop them onto the timeline. From there, you can trim and adjust the length of the music to match your video's duration. Similarly, you can add sound effects to your project by going to the Effects tab and clicking on Sound Effects. Browse through the available options and select the ones that will enhance specific moments in your video. For example, you could use a sound effect to emphasize a particular action or transition. Drag and drop your chosen sound effects onto the timeline and adjust their length as needed. Step 8. Enhancing your video with text and graphics. Text and graphics are another powerful tool that can help you engage your audience and convey your message more effectively. In CapCut, you can add text to your project by going to the Text tab and selecting from one of the many stylish fonts. Once you've added your text, you can customize it to match your video's aesthetic, including the font color, size, and position. You can also animate your text to make it more dynamic and eye-catching. Additionally, CapCut offers a range of built-in graphics that you can use to add more visual interest to your video. Simply go to the Graphics tab and select the graphic you want to use. You can then customize the graphic to fit your video's style and theme. Step 9. Exporting your video. Once you've finished editing your video in CapCut, it's time to export it and share it with the world. Click on the Export button and choose the format you want to export your video in. You can select from a variety of formats, including MP4, which is the most widely compatible option. You can also choose the resolution and bitrate of your video depending on your needs. Finally, you can add a watermark to protect your work or include a logo for branding purposes. Once you've chosen your export settings, click on the Export button to render your video. This process may take some time depending on the length and quality of your video, but you'll be able to track the progress in the export window. Once your video is finished rendering, you can share it on various platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, or social media. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of rapid video editing with CapCut AI. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to create stunning clips that will captivate your audience. Remember to find inspiration, plan your video, capture your footage, use templates and presets, leverage AI features, add music and sound effects, enhance your video with text and graphics, and finally export your masterpiece. With practice and creativity, you'll be able to produce high-quality videos in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI and CapCut tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.